Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about fertilizing macro and micronutrients to my orchids, and it will help them to shine, growth and strengthening and promoting flower blooming. In 30 days intervals I am using NPK for these orchids, and for all my orchids 2 liters of water is sufficient. I am using NPK 19-19-19, and for 2 liters of water 2 teaspoon of NPK is sufficient, and this spoon measures half teaspoon, so I am taking 4 spoon for 2 liters of water, and it is water soluble, so easily it will dilute in water, so you can use it very easily for your orchid also. So before spraying, pump it and shake well so that it will mix properly. And I am using this foliar spray for these orchids. I am spraying on roots and leaves, like giving a shower bath to all my orchids. So it will certainly help the orchids for its growth, and it will shine and flower will bloom in future. That is my expectation, and hope all orchids will grow healthy. I am using for all my orchids, so you can also try this one, and hope there will be bumper flower bloomings in all my orchids. Hope you will like this video, and encourage me through your likes, and please follow my channel, and hope you will like this content and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and wishing you all a happy gardening and New Year too. So hope you will like and enjoy this video, and please follow my channel and encourage me through your subscription for this type of video, which is very nature friendly, and the initiatives I am taking here. Bye bye, take care.